Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna take a look at Xiaomi's alarm clock Bluetooth speaker. This one's been requested quite a lot as well, so let's go. In the box, you'll find the alarm clock, an instruction manual, and a micro USB cable. That's about it. The speaker comes with this nice sticker explaining you all of its functions in Chinese, but we'll go over these in a bit. I was not disappointed by its looks, as it does look kind of nice actually. On the front, you find this grayish mesh, under which there's a bunch of LED lights that will indicate the time, if the alarm is on, the Bluetooth connection, and an AM/PM indicator, just in case you're not sure whether it's 12 AM or 12 PM. The time is displayed by the numbers that indicate the hours, and the minutes are indicated by the 6 dots, so that will display every 10 minutes. It comes with a pretty big 2600 mAh battery that can be charged over its micro USB cable from the bottom on the backside of the clock. It's actually a pretty decent battery capacity that should be able to run for 240 hours on standby, and that seems to be quite accurate. It has a battery indicator that also shows its Bluetooth, and that will indicate a red blinking dot when the battery starts running low and a red dot when the battery is charging. On the top, you'll find a rotary button that's got a whole bunch of functions like turning it on and off, snooze, but also set the time and alarm if you wish to use it standalone. But I find it a lot easier to just simply set the time through the app over Bluetooth. Adding it to the Mi Home app is quite simple. You gotta make sure that the device is turned on, and from the devices page in the app, choose to add a new device. If it's not under nearby devices, you can probably find it in the list of devices. It should pair right away because it's Bluetooth, and that should be all. As the device is in range of your phone or tablet, it should automatically connect to it, and you should be able to use it as a Bluetooth speaker right away. So let's have a listen to what this thing sounds like. Being such a small speaker, it actually is very loud, and its speaker quality was much better than I had expected. You can still hear that it's a relatively small speaker in a plastic housing, but still it doesn't sound that bad. From the alarm clock's interface in the app, it's easy to set up alarms. In this list, you can create a whole bunch of alarms and indicate on which days you want to set this specific alarm time, and perhaps just choose to use that only once or only on weekends. Here you can also set a ringtone for this alarm, and that's that. From the settings drop-down, you can select to turn the alarm indicator and the PM indicator on or off. The alarm indicator shows you if there's a currently set alarm, and the PM indicator shows a moon-like symbol after 12 AM. No, not 12 PM, 12 AM. I found this to be kind of weird, but well, the moon shows up at noon for now. From the settings tab, you can set the snooze duration from 6 to 30 minutes and the amount of times that the alarm will repeat once it's snoozing. 30 minutes snooze, man. Some people are just lucky. It's pretty easy to set up the time from the sync time menu, which will synchronize the time from your phone and not from a server. If you want to use the alarm clock standalone without using the app at all, you can set the time and the alarm with the buttons on top as well. There's a whole list of possible combinations, like pressing the knob 2 times to set the time, then rotating it to set the minutes and the hours. Press the button 4 times to set the alarm, and spin it again to set the minutes and hours. You can even press it 6 times to set the alarm ringtone, so it should be able to work standalone pretty well, although I guess most of you would probably just use it over Bluetooth, as that's a little bit easier and you don't have to remember all these gestures. So to conclude the Xiaomi alarm clock, I like it quite a lot. Its design is pretty cool. The time indication is not showing all 60 minutes though, but every 10 minutes is actually good enough. It's not the best Bluetooth speaker in the world, but it actually is a lot better than I had expected, and it really didn't sound that bad. There's a feature in the bottom of the app interface that says night mode, which will automatically stop playing music after a set time from 10 to 90 minutes. This could be nice if you want to fall asleep with sound playing that will automatically turn off after some time. It would have been really awesome to also see this go down in level gradually, but well, overall I think this alarm clock looks really cool and it does exactly what it needs to do. I've had it in use now for about 2 months to try it out, and so far I indeed had to charge it once every 10 days, so that's pretty good, and its battery life seems to live up to what they're saying. I've put down some links in the description below this video where you can buy this alarm clock, and that was it for the Xiaomi alarm clock. So if you like this video, you know what to do, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, know that you probably should. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon. Peace.